In today's video, we're going to talk about BNBWizard.net. So you'll be able to earn money here, and it is an income generator that pays forever. So you'll be able to earn money differently here. And also, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome update. So, deriving from the word BNB Wizard, you probably need to have a BNB first. So, let's now talk first on how you'll be able to get your BNB. So, let's say I do have a BUSD or anything. I'm just going to swap it directly here, and of course, you need to pay some gas fees for that. After that, okay, you can now start directly here. Now you can start for as low as 0.1, you can start for 0.2, 0.4, 0.6, up to 10 BNB at the time. And the thing here is that it's a lot more different from other yield farming or other projects out there that's getting you probably 3% daily or 5% daily, because here you're getting paid on how much they've actually invested here. So you might seem that it's kind of like a fishy, but I mean, let's give them time to prove themselves that this model can actually work even in cryptocurrency as well. So this is like the earning line families and everything. So basically, this earning line in 5 seconds, you're just getting profits from the referral that you have from her referral to your referral as well. So referral after referral after referral, you're going to get some BNBs from that. Now, you can, after you've already got this, guys, you'll be able to see the money directly here into the wallet balance. As you can see here, 60% is for the investment percentage and 40% is withdrawable. So this is the withdrawable amount that I have right now, and this is the line families and everything that you can also look if how much income that you already have here. So let's now talk about this kind of documentations. Okay, so they do have 3 languages. So whether you are Chinese or Indonesian, or you can speak English, you can also participate in BNB Wizard, and they are actually explaining their on how you are actually getting paid here. Okay, so this is the condition for withdrawal and reinvestment. So this is like the main conditions, and after that you can now withdraw, and this is the income. So as you can see here, the higher or the more people that are using the link, and also those people who use the link of your referral, you'll be able to earn money from that. And you might see that this is just too much, but I guess they are very what do you call that, they are very considerate and also generous for us to be able to enjoy this kind of profits as well. So currently there are more than 423 contributors. They just started few days ago. Also, the contribution currently is 200 BNB. There are more than 77 BNB that are already collected. So this just proves that it actually makes money, right? So into this part over here, you'll be able to see how much your contribution, how much is the earning line family, sponsors, and even the wallet. And also you'll be able to see who is your sponsor. Now, for you to be able to get the sponsor wallet address, just use the link that I'm going to put down below if you're going to register at BNB Wizard, so that you can take advantage and you can register. Okay, taking note that you can't register unless you have a sponsor wallet address. So this is mandatory, and you do not have any choice but to pass this stage as well. So you can directly withdraw here, and you will also pay some gas fee. So you can see here, this is the gas fee. But of course, I'm not going to do that because I'm not interested to withdraw the money yet. Okay, so this is everything that you need to learn about BNB Wizard. I guess this is a clear and abrupt tutorial for you guys. Again, do not forget to subscribe into my channel. It is Crypto Addict here, back again with another awesome updates, and see you on the next video.